Master Shibata times Greenstick, the ultimate hook system, from Dyneema loop to urethane-secured branch line. When the wind picks up during Greenstick fishing, we add weight lead to stabilize the lure and prevent excessive movement. This keeps the lure's action steady even in choppy conditions, increasing the chances of attracting tuna bites. Built on thousands of tuna battles, Master Shibata's rigging method is a complete system of strength, precision, and reliability. 1. Dyneema loop. Ultra strength meets flexibility. Dyneema is the trusted choice for serious anglers. Unlike nylon, it won't snap under pressure or fray when rubbing against sharp tuna teeth. We start by forming a reinforced Dyneema loop, your first line of defense against lost fish. 2. Vertical hook angle smarter hookups. Passing the loop through the hook eye ensures the hook always hangs vertically. This angle dramatically increases the chance of deep ingestion and solid hook sets, no matter how the fish strikes. 3. Urethane tube connection, the critical finishing touch. The Dyneema is then carefully wrapped onto the branch line and secured with a urethane tube. This step cushions shock, prevents abrasion, and ensures smooth tension transfer, eliminating weak points found in conventional rigs. Hook sizes: #45/53/55/55/58, Dyneema loop /branch line /urethane tubes, all available. Inquiries and orders: greenstickjapan@gmail.com. Handled by Kitaro Kurosawa /Universe Japan Company, Limited.